This is the one with the 1PZ. That's Bubble. That's Raz. Two high-class mechanical helpers. We have to open the hood, obviously. So, whoops. It's in great shape. Very usable. It's got great mounts in it. There's a dent, but you can get the dent out. I think that's about got the dent. There, look at that, see? No dent.
Fucking guy. Good job, John. Amazing mechanics.
Hey, you come on down to John's body shop, I'll fix your car up perfect.
You went to Brantford, didn't you?
Not for school.
Tollgate.
Okay. As I'd said before in the previous video, this wire here had been shorted out. And we just put a jumper in, cobbled it together, and got it to run, got the starter to spin. Couldn't figure out why. I thought it was the Bendex to push the gear out from the starter. There's a chunk, 2 gears off the flywheel teeth, so it won't spin. All we do is just give the fan a little bit of a turn, roll the motor over a little bit, and this just puts power into the injector pump. Now we'll just give it a little bit of a spin, make sure the motor's going to turn over. This was the $250 vehicle, right? No glow plug. How smooth it runs. Shut-off procedure. Obviously, this is an old-style diesel. You got to shut off the injector pump. So that's your power line coming in right here. No more power to the injector pump, and it is off. And that is it. Now we'll just unhook the battery, make sure we don't drain it for the night. Battery's unhooked. I do believe with about an hour, half hour's worth of work, we should be able to have this one motivating itself down the road. It's got a broken hydraulic line, but now that we've got it running, and I don't think the mine could figure out, or more or less went, nah, and decided not to fix it. Now that we have it running, the hydraulics are working. I puked a whole bunch of hydraulic oil out of it earlier today. We'll fix the lines. We'll try and get it moving. Won't have brakes, but as long as it's moving, it'll be able to go, and gotta fix the brakes later. Anyway, thanks, bye. Fuck off now.